Well, we meet again. Oh, sorry, was I... Oh, no, it's not your fault. It's just old habits, they die hard, so... Well, how was your recon mission? Well, that's not the best outcome, but we do have one new recruit, which is always nice, so... Good job as always, Kit, and you are dismissed. You... what? No, you shouldn't have done that. No, I don't think you understand the gravity of what you have just done. No, Kit,
Listen! Listen to me when I am talking to you! You should never have done that under any circumstances! You could have killed yourself! You could have killed your teammates!
What you did was incredibly irresponsible, and honestly, I expected much better from you. So the next time I say something, you do it without question. Is that understood? Good. You are dismissed. Wait. I'm sorry I yelled at you. I shouldn't have done that. You know I do care about you, kid. Just don't do anything stupid. And follow my orders, all right?